Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Abshin. Zodwa from Gomora has taken people by storm by her acting skills. Sanam Mchunu has won the hearts of viewers with her role as Zodwa on Mzansi Magic's Gomora. Fans can't stop praising her acting skills on social media. Every emotional scene, she gives it all and brings it to life. Zodwa is currently killing her role on Gomora and fans are giving her flowers while she's still alive. The people have reacted to the latest show. One social media user wrote, "Zodwa is Gomora. There's no Gomora without her. She's carrying the show." Someone also wrote, "Mother of the decade goes to Zodwa. Yes you ma'am. Hashtag Gomora Mzansi." One also said, "Can we talk about the last scene? Zodwa, damn, that woman can act and show emotion." Sanam Mchunu is indeed talented and she is killing her role. I couldn't agree what was said here. Our next celebrity we'll be talking about is Andile Mpisane, a man who comes from a very rich family, and the guy is filthy rich. He recently performed at Propaganda in Pretoria. The crowd was not having it shame. They were very irritated and couldn't wait for him to finish, judging by the way they reacted. Musa Kaula, the entertainment blogger, shared the video of Andile Mpisane performing and captioned the video. A closer look at the audience watching Andile Mpisane perform at Propaganda Pretoria. People reacted on Twitter and they are embarrassed by Andile's performance. One wrote, "As artists, we all have our bad, but this is a no from me. I am embarrassed on behalf of Andile Mpisane." Someone also said, "No Musa, delete this video. This can't be real. I would live same time and never make music. People are heartless. Why can't they at least smile?" Someone also wrote, "Money can't buy talent." Another one said, "Yo, this is so embarrassing. It's like they're in a memorial service or something." Yane, this was a whack performance right there. It was bad, I don't wanna lie. If Andile really loves music and dancing, he needs to find the right person to teach him, because this guy doesn't have a talent. He needs to work hard if he wants to be taken serious or recognized. We are talking about someone who once performed alongside and shared a stage with some of the most huge and famous international stars such as Rick Ross, Gucci Mane, 2 Chainz, the list goes on and on. Well, thanks to her mom's connection. Our next celebrity is Ntando. The TV actress and presenter has become one of the country's most loved celebrities. The media personality was thrust into the spotlight with her TV presenting career and she didn't hold back. But her acting skills have always been questioned on social media. She was acting on The Queen. People were always booing her for her poor performance, and eventually the Queen released her. She is set to star in the upcoming iconic drama series Shakalembe. The drama series is produced by MultiChoice and Bomb Productions. Ntando will take on the role of the Queen Bibi Kasompisi Ntuli, the 9th wife of the King Senzangakhona, Shaka's father. She has faced backlash from social media. People have raised their concerns about her not able to speak Zulu fluently and they don't think she's suitable for that role. Someone reacted and said, "I saw Ntando as part of the new Shaka Zulu cast and I was like, okay, it's gonna be ass, I'll pass." One was worried about her not speaking Zulu properly and wrote, "But her isiZulu is not that sharp. She speaks KasiZulu." One also said, "These days it's no longer about talent. However, it's based on the number of followers one has on social media." Said honestly. Well, unfortunately they work with numbers. If you don't have following on social media, they don't take you even if you are talented. The Shakalembe is set to be released in 2023 and there's no official date for its premiere. Another celebrity that we'll be talking about is Musa Keys. The Grammy Award-winning DJ Black Coffee has given the Amapiano sensation Musa Keys his flowers while he's still alive. The musician is constantly touring across the world to let his international fans experience South African music. Musa Keys has recently performed in Tanzania and left many social media users in awe of stellar performance. His performance drew a very enthusiastic crowd and the audience participated in the performance. DJ Black Coffee tweeted about the artist, "Musakis, a top-tier superstar." Musakis replied and said, "Coming from you, this means the world to me, Grootman. Thank you, Putnati." Black Coffee believes that Musakis is on the right path and he is destined for greatness. Musa had an interview with the Drum magazine and said, "It's overwhelming to watch people's reaction. While performing in Tanzania, people were singing my songs word for word, and I couldn't believe that people are into my music like that. Ghana was my first international show and my first time being out of South Africa, and it was sold out. He is a great artist. I'm definitely sure he's gonna reach higher places." What are your thoughts on this one, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.